When a high production mine runs 24/7, there is no room for error. We are looking at millions of dollars in iron, coal, and copper moving every single hour. Today, we go inside the heartbeat of these operations to see the heavy metal that makes it possible. Welcome back. This isn't just about big machines, it's about high-stakes production. From precision overburden removal to massive primary crushers, we're covering the entire cycle. We've lined up everything from nimble quarry loaders to the absolute giants of Chile and British Columbia. Let's get to work. Witness the Caterpillar 980C in its element. With its articulated steering and powerful hydraulic breakout force, it continuously loads 10 tons of rock into the 769D haul truck in every cycle. This relentless operation is the engine behind global development. From the highways that connect our cities to the massive infrastructure projects that define our era, these machines provide the fundamental materials required to build a future for all of humanity. Beyond their legendary durability, what do you think truly makes these machines icons of the industry? I'd value hearing your perspective on these mechanical titans. Deep inside a large-scale active mine, we see the true meaning of productivity. Watch these two Caterpillar 365CL excavators working in tandem. While they aren't positioned in the ultra-class category, but they are elite large-scale workhorses built for high-precision overburden removal. With an operating weight of 154,000 pounds and 513 horsepower from the Cat C15 engine, they move 6 cubic yards of waste rock in every single pass. This operation relies on skilled operators to coordinate with 4-axle Mercedes-Benz and MAN trucks, maintaining a surgical material flow without a second of wasted movement. Caterpillar D6R dozer in the background is just as vital, constantly shaping the loading ramps so the haul fleet never loses momentum. This unrelenting cycle is the starting point for the modern comforts we often take for granted. Moving to the specialized world of iron ore, we encounter a true regional powerhouse, the BEML BE1000-1 hydraulic face shovel. While many are used to seeing Western giants, this 100-ton class machine is the workhorse of the Indian mining sector, specifically designed for the abrasive and high-density environment of iron ore pits. Weighing in at approximately 220,000 pounds and driven by a 600-horsepower engine, the BE1000-1 utilizes its front-loading configuration to generate massive breakout force. Watch as it fills the dumper with iron ore, a material significantly heavier and more punishing than standard soil, moving roughly 9 cubic yards in every single pass with remarkable stability. This constant loading cycle is the foundational starting point for the world as we know it. Each bucket of ore represents the high-strength steel in our vehicles, bridges, and infrastructure, the literal skeleton of our civilization. It's easy to forget that every modern structure began with a single scoop in a dusty pit. Does knowing the raw origin of these materials change how you view the skyline around you? Next, we shift our focus to a coal mining operation where the Komatsu PC2000 front shovel is in command. This 440,000-pound titan is a master of high-volume production, utilizing over 1,000 horsepower to strip away the dense topsoil and overburden. In its front shovel configuration, it generates massive hydraulic breakout force, allowing the 15 cubic yard bucket to bite deep into the earth. Watch as it cycles with the Komatsu HD 785, a 100-ton payload haul truck. The coordination here is vital. The PC2000 fills that massive bed in just a few quick surgical passes, maintaining a relentless pace to reach the coal seams buried below. This isn't just a dirt-moving exercise. It's the essential first step in global energy production. The coal reached by this process fuels power plants that light our cities and provides the intense heat required for global steel manufacturing. Every ton of soil moved by the PC2000 is a calculated step toward maintaining the energy grid we rely on every day. Next, we witness the cutting edge of quarry production. The brand new 2024 Liebherr R992 operated by Rinnen Construction. This isn't the 146-ton monster of the 90s. It's a high-tech powerhouse specifically configured for the modern European quarry. Recently stepping in to replace a Cat 390FL, this special configuration weighs in at 231,500 pounds and is driven by a 571 horsepower Liebherr D9508 Stage 5 engine. Watch as it utilizes its custom 8.1 cubic yard rock bucket to tackle hard rock extraction with surgical efficiency. While more compact than the classic R992, its advanced hydraulics and fuel-efficient design allow it to move massive volumes while meeting the strictest environmental standards. Transitioning to smarter, more efficient machinery is the starting point for peak mining excellence. This R992 represents a new era, proving that refined engineering delivers significantly more value than raw bulk alone. It is the essential foundation for the high-performance infrastructure we build today. Looking ahead, it raises a critical question. Does the future of the mining industry belong to massive scale or this kind of absolute precision? Witness the seamless coordination of a premier production team. The center of gravity here is the Caterpillar 6020B. Packing over 1,000 horsepower and an operating weight of 507,000 pounds, it is a surgical tool in a massive body. Partnering with it today is the Cat 777D, a 100-ton payload legend built for relentless movement. While the 6020B handles the loading, notice the Caterpillar D10T dozer working relentlessly alongside. Its role is critical, clearing the floor and spill rock to protect the 777D's massive tires, ensuring the entire cycle remains efficient and uninterrupted. This rhythmic interaction is the silent engine of modern development. Every load moved by this team provides the raw materials essential for the infrastructure of our cities and the energy that powers our homes. It is a transition from raw earth to refined progress, where every machine plays a vital role in building our future. Moving to the high-altitude operations of Peru, we encounter a revolution in sustainable power. The Caterpillar 6040 electric hydraulic shovel. This 893,000-pound heavyweight delivers the same massive production as its diesel counterparts, but with a critical advantage: zero local harmful air pollution. Powered by high-voltage electric motors providing approximately 2,100 horsepower, it utilizes its 29 cubic yard bucket to move material with relentless efficiency. By eliminating diesel combustion, this machine significantly improves the air quality for everyone in the pit, proving that high-volume mining doesn't have to come at the cost of the local environment. We now stand before the undisputed ruler of the quarry floor, the Caterpillar 994H. This mechanical giant, weighing nearly 530,000 pounds, is engineered to dominate high-volume production. Powered by a massive 3516 engine delivering 463 horsepower, it leverages its sheer scale to move mountains of material. Watch as it effortlessly handles up to 32 cubic yards in a single pass, filling ultra-class haul trucks with the steady, powerful rhythm of an industrial heart. This isn't just about moving rock, it is the relentless pursuit of efficiency at a scale few machines can ever match. Looking at this titan in action, do you believe the future of mining still relies on these massive mechanical kings? Or is the industry shifting toward a different breed of power? What's your take on this mechanical evolution? High in the Andes Mountains at Codelco Andina, we witness the pinnacle of high-altitude production. The LeTourneau L1400 is a diesel-electric wheel loader built for extreme endurance. Weighing approximately 460,000 pounds and harnessing 2,000 horsepower, this masterpiece of hybrid engineering utilizes its massive 35 cubic yard bucket to fill the Komatsu 930E in just a few precise cycles. The 930E is a 320-ton payload giant, a staple of large-scale copper mining. This isn't just about moving rock. It's the extraction of the copper that powers every circuit, smartphone, and electric vehicle battery in our modern world. Looking at the sheer mechanical scale required to power our daily electronics, do you think we truly appreciate the effort behind the devices in our hands? We conclude our journey in the rugged terrain of northeast British Columbia, witnessing the sheer scale of the Hitachi EX5500. This ultra-class hydraulic excavator is a 1.15 million-pound titan of industry. Powered by dual engines delivering a combined 2,800 horsepower, it is engineered for the high-intensity demands of metallurgical coal production. Watch the precision as its massive bucket fills the Cat 793F haul truck, a 250-ton payload behemoth, in just a handful of quick, rhythmic cycles. These titans are the silent architects of our modern world. They turn raw earth into the steel and energy that sustain our lives every day. Thank you for joining us on this tour of mechanical excellence. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of heavy machinery, don't forget to like and subscribe to Beast Machines World for more elite operations.